to my channel. It's Caitlin here, and today I am going to be doing a spring makeup tutorial for you, and I have tried to keep it fairly natural but with a pop of colour. So if you guys do want to keep it really wearable, then you can just miss out the colour and wear it as a really nice kind of fresh spring makeup. But if you want to keep the pop of colour in, then it's definitely very festive for Easter time, and just generally the bright colours of spring, I think, are definitely summed up in this eye makeup look. This video was inspired by a suggestion from you guys. A couple of you guys have been asking me over the last couple months to do green eyeshadow, blue eyeshadow and yellow eyeshadow, so I did a St. Patrick's Day makeup tutorial to show you green, and now I'm doing kind of like blues and yellows. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and you like the makeup. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well if you're new to my channel, and I will just get on and into the tutorial. So to start off this makeup look, I'm going to be taking the Blank Canvas Master Series 1 palette and just taking the first shade, which is a matte white shade called Lily, and just packing that all over my eyelid to start off. Then taking the matte brown transition shade, I'm going to be putting that on my crease. Then I'm going to be going in with the slightly darker shade Coca and placing that on my crease again, just to darken up this eye look. This is going to be as dark as the eye makeup is going to get because I do want to keep it really natural and wearable for springtime. And then I'm going to be taking this super pretty golden shade called Goddess and placing that on my inner half of my eyelid. And then I'm also just going back in with that matte white shade and putting that on my brow bone to really highlight my eyes. I'm just taking a makeup wipe now and wiping away any shadows that have fallen underneath my eye. And then I'm going in with this skinny eyeliner from Technique and just creating a really nice thin wing. And as you can see, this eyeliner is so easy to use and so easy to get a really nice thin wing. This eyeliner is so cheap and I couldn't recommend it enough. Then I'm going to be moving back to my face and firstly priming my face using the Bobbi Brown face base. This is so perfect for summer and spring because it leaves your skin so hydrated and moisturised and just so glowy. Then for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation and just using a beauty blender to blend that all over my face. And then for concealer, I'm taking the Collection concealer. I didn't show the concealer first for some reason. I'm showing you it now. I don't know why I did it in a different order, but I'm just blending that in again with my beauty blender. To set all of that, I'm taking the MUA Pro Base powder. I love this powder. It's so affordable, but so good, and it mattifies your face perfectly. To bronze up my skin, I'm going to be taking the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer and just placing that on my usual areas which I put bronzer, and making sure I take that up onto my forehead as well so my skin looks nice and healthy and glowy. And I'm also deciding to put it on my nose as well, even though I'm not that great at nose contour. So for blusher, I'm taking the Cindy Luminizer, which is such a pretty pale pink colour, which I thought would be perfect for springtime. And then for highlighter, I'm taking this one by Wet n Wild. I'm not 100% sure what shade comes out when I use this highlighter, but it's such a pretty glow and it just makes your skin look so healthy and so summery, and I love it so much. So going back in with eyes again, I'm taking the NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the shade Milk and putting that on my waterline. And then I'm going to be using this Kiko Double Dare eyeshadow and eyeliner pen, and I'm firstly taking the gold side and putting that on the inner corners of my eyes, and then taking the pen side, which is such a pretty vibrant blue colour, and I'm going to be lining the outer part of my lower lash line with this. And then with my Galaxy Chic palette, I'm going to be going over that blue line with this turquoise colour, and this just changed the dark blue into more of an aqua colour and blended the yellow and the blue together. And then I'm taking this really bright honey gold colour and placing that on top of the gold eyeliner just to make the gold a lot more vibrant and the shade which I wanted it to be. I also went back in with the blue end of the Kiko eyeliner and I just extended that blue line up to the end of my wing and just blended it all out. For mascara, I took the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I also went ahead and applied some fairly natural lashes on the top. For lipstick, I took the L'Oreal Natural Colour Riche in the shade 231 and just popped that on my lips. And then I went over the top of that with a Ted Baker lip gloss, which just made my lips super glossy. So this is the completed makeup look. I think it's so perfect for spring, and if you do want to miss out the pop of colour, then it's such a pretty everyday wearable look. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys!